Hi, this is Anand. In this lab, I just wanted to help you by setting up a Cloud9 on this Amazon Web Services AWS. So, Cloud9 is basically like an IDE, which is an integrated development environment for writing, running, and debugging the code. So we have lot of advantages in this Cloud9, especially for all the development environment. You can see this, you can run, debug, and of course you can debug your code. Just like it includes majority, like the editor and also debugging and the terminal. Cloud9 comes with this is more essential tools for programming languages, which includes your JavaScript, Python, PHP, and many more like Node.js also is there. So you don't need to install files or configure your development machine to start new projects. Since your Cloud9 is an IDE, is a cloud-based, you can work on your projects from your office, home, or anywhere. Cloud9 also provides a seamless experience for development serverless applications, enabling you to easily define resources. Okay, so yeah, benefits if you explore, yes, you have many benefits here. Code with just a browser. You get a terminal, you get a browser, you can open your browser and verify instantaneously. Code together in a real time. Okay, we will explore these things. So now, in order to launch this Cloud9 setup, since we have a free tier, we can select a free tier access of T2 Micro, which is valid for 1 year. So what I do is that in your Amazon Web Services, just say Cloud9. This should go to the dashboard of this Cloud9, uh, where you can create your own environment. Okay, create first time you can create your environment. So all you need is only just to provide a name. I can say my name. Okay, developer name and description is optional. Just go to the next step and create a new EC2 instance for direct environment, or through SSH also you can take up. Okay, this one, all the three options which are there. Select T2 Micro, which comes under free tier. Okay, if you want more than 2 GB of RAM, you can select according to your choice. So for your choice, yes, Amazon Linux is the most advantageous. Otherwise, you can select any other images also on Ubuntu or any. So why this is recommended is like you get a cost saving. If 30 minutes, if you don't work, you can automatically no activity, there is no bill, and it goes for a hibernation. So this is one big advantage. You can select even Ubuntu also, and of course Amazon Linux too. Right, I'm selecting Amazon Linux too with pre-configured all kind of development environment. Right, and say next step. So this is the review of your settings, what we have given, right? And create an environment. So once the suggestions are given, it will take approximately 3 to 5 minutes to get the environment created. Okay, once the environment is created, I'll be right back. Okay, you can see this once the environment is created, you can see the terminal prompt at the bottom. I'll just drag up. Okay, but before that, if you want to change your colors or settings or anything, you can change this main theme. Okay, you can just select the themes which are available by default. This is the light theme, but in fact, the dark theme should be better. And of course, your editor theme is also maybe a Chrome or something. Okay, you can select that default. Later on also you can change. So now you can see this environment which is by default the shell which is available here, and the file name which is there is readme.md. Like you can see here, this particular readme.md file. Now I will just show you how you can create a Node.js environment. Okay, once this is set, what we need to do is just run this, establish this Cloud9 environment. How do I do that? npm initialize c9 and -g. Okay, so you can C9 readme.md. It should function. Yes, C9 is now started. You can see this is the file which is there in your folder, which is displayed here at the dashboard. Otherwise, first is that I'll create a folder, mkdir, maybe I can say my name. Okay, so once I create my folder, it is displayed here at the top. So you can even extend this particular one, nothing is there. So okay, so there is no files as of now. I will initialize with npm init -y. Okay, now you can see this. There is a file called as package.json is created. You can even C9 this, right? This is the default configuration file which has been created. Now I will also add this express settings. Initialize express say. Yep, the express file is written over there. Now what I do is that I can create some files in this my folder. In my folder. Okay, so here for that, how to create my files, I will say touch. For any web development, we need this index.html and index.js and of course application.js and style.css. Four files are needed: index.html, index.js, app.js and style.css. So all the four files are created, all the 0 bytes files are created. Now I have these files in my dashboard. I just copy. My aim is to just to show you how this is deployed on Cloud9. So here are my source files. This is first one. I'll open this index.html with. I'll just copy the code. That's all. Nothing more. Just copy paste. So here I had copied. I will copy into index.html. So as of now, nothing is there. Just copy and save it. So the first part is done. Okay, I'm closing all the other things which are there. And next one, I will take up this app.js, which is now blank. App.js open with the Notepad++. So just copy this complete code. Okay, I'm saving this file, app.js index, and the next one I will go with the index.js. This is my JavaScript file, index.html. Just Control A and Control C. Okay. And have this style.css. Okay, so all my files are done almost. You just open this index.html, package.json. Okay, I need to insert a line in this package.json. So here, after scripts, I need to define before test. Right, I can say start colon. I can say node index.js. Okay, Just save this file. Okay. So now it's a time for us to check this service. So, but before that, we need to open the port. So what I'll do is that I'll just duplicate my tab and then go to. So here my EC2, when I see this, I can see my public IP, and also we need to open port 8080. It can be done using this command line. This is the instance which we have created. You can see here. And what is needed is just open this security group. Yeah. In the inbound rule, we have only edit inbound rule, port number 22, which is open. So add this rule, all TCP, you can not all TCP, custom TCP, and you can say define 8080, and you can allow anywhere from the website, or you can restrict to a single IP and save these rules. So that will allow this port 8080 for this server. Okay, so now the security part is also over. Let me start this server and start $port equal to 8080 npm and just start. So let me debug. Oh, I missed out this comma. Just save this. Okay, my Node.js started listening. So my IP address is already here. I can launch, or I can try this. Yep, I can see my hello world page which is started. Right, this is how we can set up our Node.js environment on AWS console. Okay, let me also show you how you can remove this environment. So for what you can do is that go to Cloud9, just go to the environment. Don't delete any instances directly. Delete from the environment only. So here I have one environment. I can delete this one. You can say delete. So within a couple of minutes, the environment should be deleted, and also your what we call as EC2 also gets deleted. Once this is done, the whole environment will go. Yeah, the environment is deleted. Okay, that's all about this Cloud9, and thank you very much, and bye.